What do you think about the snow? Let's go run. Run, run, Rudy. Let's go. Let's go, Rudy. Good boy. Sit. Now you get a cookie. Where's Rudy? Rudy, come. Rudy, come. Rudy is helping Rick shovel off the deck, I guess. Rudy, what are you doing? Are you helping Rick? Are your loyalties divided? Okay, Rudy, let's fix your hat.
18-year-old Chihuahua. She didn't get all three of them. She got one of them.
Yeah.
And it has to be held 100% of the time. It wears a diaper and pees on it.
Nice.
She is so OCD.
Oh, jeez.
You know, never had a dog on furniture or in the bed.
Maybe Mrs. Trent Mom shouldn't go on trips.
So, yeah, I think the dog is down. It's got a broken back. It's a terrible thing. You know, it's just like all deformed.
Oh.
And it barks 100% of the time.
Even when she's holding it?
When she doesn't hold it.
Oh, jeez.
And so she has to have nervous breakdowns.
Hey, boys.
So she puts it in the cage and leaves it, and then she goes and works someplace.
Rudy, down. That is a good boy. Nice job.